Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the Dispatch PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dispatch game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to enable or disable subtitles, then simply click on the settings option at the home page. Now within the settings page, make sure that you are within the general tab at the top. And now within this page, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the subtitle setting. Now within subtitles, the off option is set by default, so simply click on it, or you can click through the left and right arrows. This will now show you how your subtitles will appear within the subtitles menu. You can also change the subtitle color settings from the subtitle color options. Once you have made your desired setting, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved automatically. And you can come back to this menu at any point of time to once again enable or disable subtitles in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on or turn off subtitles on the Dispatch PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.